Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell down below so that you'll never miss another upload. In today's video, I did want to talk about how I moisturize my hair and how I retain that moisture in my hair while I'm heat training. So I've been heat training at this point probably for almost 2 years, so I haven't had any major issues, really no heat damage. Ends I keep trimmed twice per year, so I've been doing very well, and I also have been able to manage retaining the length in my hair, and a good reason for that is because I'm able to retain moisture, and my hair doesn't get super dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and share a few tips on what I've learned, and hopefully this will help anybody who has been struggling with keeping your hair moisturized and retaining that length. So there's basically two ways that I keep my hair moisturized depending on what style my hair is currently in. So right now, I don't have a silky straight silk press, and this is more like a soft silk press. It's very light. I did go in and blow dry my hair with my Tymo blow dryer and also my Tymo ring on, like, not the highest setting but the next to the highest setting, and I did a light silk press on my hair with just one pass just to stretch it out because I do not air dry and I don't wear my hair curly. But that's what I did. So when I do that method of either just blow drying my hair or just doing a light silk press, so that is when I go in with my leave-in moisturizer. So the one that I like to use is going to be the Melanin. I think I mentioned this before several times. Love the Melanin. Number one, it doesn't revert my hair, so I can kind of wear my hair in like a softer silk press, go in, I would say throughout the week, at least every other day, and I will go in and moisturize my hair. Now what I do, and I'll put a clip somewhere on the screen of exactly how I do it, a little clip of how I moisturize, but I'll go in and I will just add that leave-in moisturizer to the very ends of my hair because that is where the oldest part of your hair is, and I do like to keep that moisturized. And then also I will go in with my Main Choice hair butter, just the slightest amount, just so it's not way down and super greasy. And I'll just go in and kind of seal that in. And I find doing that really helps. I did that today, and my hair is still bouncy. It doesn't look greasy. It doesn't look way down, just the ends. I don't go all the way up to my roots or anything. My roots are good. They're not dry. So that is what I do. And I find like doing it this way for me, when my hair isn't super bone straight, my hair could take putting in the leave-ins and putting in a little bit of hair butter. If my hair's super silky straight, like I've done a silky silk press, I've used a higher heat on my flat iron, I will never use a leave-in throughout the weeks if my hair is like super silk pressed. That is a no-no for me. I don't do it. So how I retain moisture when I do my silk presses is I will just go ahead and wrap my hair at night. That is the sure way to lock in moisture to your hair, because when you're silk pressing your hair and you use a silicone like the Cheese Silk Infusion hair serum and you go in with that and then flat iron your hair and do your silk press, that silicone is going to help lock the moisture in your hair very well with using those high heats. So my hair just retains the moisture when I do it that way by using that Cheese Silk Infusion and the flat iron. My hair will definitely lock in the moisture, so I'm able to go in every single night and just wrap my hair, and my hair is good. So that is what I do in that case. For me, I don't like to go in with any product whatsoever because that will just weigh down your silk press. If you have a really good silky silk press, you never want to go in with like a bunch of products and just saturate your hair with those, trying to moisturize your hair. If your hair is that dry, I did do a video on how to fix dry hair. So I suggest you check out that video. I will put it somewhere up on the screen or down below in the description. So that's pretty much what I do. I keep it super simple. Don't use a lot of products just because, you know, being a straight natural, heat trained natural, you don't want heavy, weighed down, greasy hair. And another tip, if you've done a silk press and like a curl, a good way to preserve your curls would be flexi rods or pin curls, and then go in with a satin bonnet at night to retain the moisture in your hair as well. So those are just some of the few things that I do to keep my hair healthy, and it's really been helping me to retain moisture in my hair and to keep the ends healthy. And by doing those things, I've pretty much only have to get my hair trimmed twice a year, so it's helped me so very much. So I kind of hope that this helps some of you ladies that, you know, experiencing some dryness, but this works for me and I hope it works for you too. So that is pretty much it for this video, and be sure to check out these videos right over here. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.